Hi children, welcome back to our class. Last class we have seen some elements and their symbols. Have you studied that? Are you thorough with the symbols? Then we can move to present topic, that is atomic mass. The mass of an atom is known as atomic mass. If we are measuring, we have seen that size of the atom, it is very small, and the mass of the atom is actually known as atomic mass. And the atomic mass is represented by, it is measured by initially mass of an atom is actually known as atomic mass. Okay. So, this atomic mass, in earlier time atomic mass, the unit taken for the atomic masses was AMU, atomic mass unit. AMU was the initial unit of atomic mass. Okay. But now present time it was replaced by unified mass, unified mass U. Unified mass, and it is written as U, unified mass U, and here it is the atomic mass unit, atomic mass unit. Okay, that is written briefly as AMU, and here nowadays the unit used for measuring that atomic mass is unified mass U. So, both is used there in your textbook. Some places you can see AMU used there, or some places you can see unified mass. Whatever it is, both are same. At present we are using that as unit as unified mass. And we can see what is the mass of an atom. So, mass of an atom, initially we have taken a standard atomic mass. The mass of an element is taken as the standard one, and earlier time it was hydrogen. And comparing with the mass of atomic mass of hydrogen, we were telling the atomic masses of other elements. Earlier the standard which we took, it was hydrogen, and based on the comparing with the mass of hydrogen, we were telling the masses of other elements. But later that reference has changed as carbon 12. Now we can define the atomic mass as the atomic mass is the mass equal to 1 by 12th. The mass of an atom, its atomic mass is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of a 1 by 12th of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon, there are different forms carbon is available there, and carbon 12 is there and carbon 14 is there. That is why instead of 14 here we are taking the reference as carbon 12. How much masses has that carbon 12 mass, and its 1 by 12th will be the mass of a particular atom. Mass of an atom is taken as 1 by 12th portion of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. That is the definition for the atomic mass, and it is expressed in unit, that is unified mass U. But commonly we are telling that atomic mass in the relative form by relating with the atomic mass of this carbon. Initially the reference was hydrogen, now the reference is carbon. So, carbon 12 we are taking, and we know the atomic mass of carbon 12 is 12 gram. Okay. So, on basis of the mass of carbon 12, we are comparing the masses of other elements, and how much bigger will be the or smaller will be the atom we are telling on comparing with the atomic mass of this carbon 12. So, we can tell that the relative atomic mass, nowadays atomic mass we are telling it is relative atomic mass compared to the atomic mass of carbon 12, we are taking the atomic mass of a particular element. With respect to this carbon 12, how much bigger or smaller will be the atom. Okay, and now we will have a table of elements and their atomic masses. You have to by heart that atomic mass table, then only we can further move into the topics of this present chapter. Calculations are there. Based on that, I have already told that atomic mass calculation and molecular mass calculation one by one we will see all these. For that, this should be there in your mind, then only we will able to calculate all those. Okay, so we can see one by one the elements and their atomic masses. So that mass you have to by heart the atomic masses of some elements. Element is written here and the atomic mass we are going to write there on the right side. First one, hydrogen. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 1 U. Atomic mass is represented in which unit? U. Okay. Now, I have a question to you. What is the symbol of hydrogen? Yes, right. It is H. So, whenever you are writing, just mention the symbol also. So, hydrogen, the atomic mass is 1 U. And carbon, yes, it is C. Carbon is C. So, atomic mass of carbon is taking as 12 U. Then nitrogen, symbol is N. Atomic mass of nitrogen is taken as 14. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Then oxygen, symbol is O and its atomic mass is 16 U. Then sodium, it is, what is the symbol of sodium? Yes, you said it correctly. It is Na. Okay. And then for sodium, it is 23. Atomic mass is written as 23. Now we can see the atomic mass of magnesium. What is the symbol for magnesium? Yes, it is Mg. Okay. So atomic mass for magnesium is 24 U. Symbol sulfur S. So atomic mass of sulfur is 32 U. And then for chlorine, it is Cl. C capital, L small letter, and it is 35.5. Calcium, it is Ca and atomic mass is 40. Okay. And then we can see helium. What is the atomic mass of helium? What is the symbol for helium? Yes, it is He. Atomic mass of helium is 4. Then aluminium, it is Al. Atomic mass is 13. Not 13, atomic mass is 27. Okay. Then phosphorus, symbol is P and its atomic mass is 31. And potassium, it is K, capital letter K. And its atomic mass is 39. Unit is same everywhere. And these are the atomic masses of some commonly used elements. For the calculation, you should by heart this table. The table is there in your textbook and it will also be provided there in the notes also. Page number 35, table number 3.2. Once again, we can see that atomic mass is the mass of an atom. And nowadays we are using the relative atomic mass with respect to a standard atomic mass. We are comparing the taken atom's mass and telling. Okay, initially the reference standard was hydrogen. Now we have changed that to carbon 12. So atomic mass unit definition is one atomic mass unit is the mass of exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon 12. 1/12 exactly equal mass of exactly equal to mass of 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon 12. Okay, that is taken as the one atomic mass unit. Okay, and atomic mass is a relative term with respect to carbon atomic mass. We are telling that atomic masses of other elements, and we can see in this table the atomic masses of different elements. The hydrogen atomic mass 1, oxygen then carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, then sulfur 32, magnesium 24, sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, calcium 40, then helium 4, aluminium 27, phosphorus 31, potassium 39, like so. That atomic mass varies and this you have to keep it in your memory for further calculation of the problems. Problems will be there in this chapter. So, for that we have to by heart this table also. Okay. Hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.